In After Effects, we're going to learn how to replace footage. So let's take a look. We have some rough animation here that we've worked with in other videos. And what we've done is we've created a transition already, and this has been animated. And we don't want to change that now that we have a new version of our rough animation in. We look out here in my folders. Here's my rough animation that I'm using now. Let's say someone on the team has turned in some final animation. So to keep our story reel up, which is what this would be called in animation, it's pretty simple. All I need to do is come here to Project, and here's my rough animation for my pink and my purple, and I'm just going to replace it. Now I'm making sure everybody stays at 24 frames a second. So on this one for pink, I'm going to right click, replace footage, and this is how you can find lost footage as well, or go find my final pink, and I'll do the same thing here. Right click, replace footage file, and this is our final purple. So now we see that these are pink and purple are finals, 24 frames a second still, and if I go through, that transition that I've made previously is there and I didn't lose it. So this is how you can update your footage as you go, and you don't have to re-edit your footage together. And of course, you want to make sure that these are the same length, but if you're doing what you need in animation, they should be. There you go. And that is replace footage.